Part 3. Projector Setup and Installation. Let's highlight the projector components. First we have the power module, the lens, the optical module, the electronic module. The 6-axis adjuster would be mounted to this location, the tray, and a final light module. The current view is the rear of the projector. The projector is shipped configured for rear accessibility. We will make a few changes for front access. First, we need to turn around the electronic module to view the LCD display. As well, we need to swap the mounting brackets with each other to allow cable clearance with the rear panel. The brackets are easily removed. 2 Phillips screws hold each bracket together. Once removed, swap the brackets and reinsert the screws. When complete, place the electronic module on the projector tray. Secure with 4 screws. Here is a side view showing the position of the electronic module. The next step is connecting the cables to the appropriate components, as well as the IR remote and antennae. Ensure to hand tighten cables when complete. Before installing the motorized adjustment accessory, ensure the lock screws for each adjustment knob are loosened. Use the 5mm hex key provided to loosen the M6 lock screws, and a 2mm hex key, not provided, to loosen the collar lock screws. To install, ensure you have both the top and bottom accessories, as well as 2 of each item: posts, Teflon washers, and pins. Install the Teflon washers and posts beside the top level of the 6-axis adjuster, ensuring the holes of the posts are facing up. Insert the bottom piece of the motorized adjustment accessory into the matching 6-axis adjuster knobs. Push the 2 connectors until they snap into the engine and secure the bottom piece in place on the projector. Install the top piece of the motorized adjustment accessory into the matching 6-axis adjuster knobs, ensuring the bracket slides over the posts. Now, install the pins. Connect the top and bottom accessory with the cable provided and hand tighten the screws. Connect the top accessory with the electronic module. The projector is then ready for installation. Projector installation. The projector must be lifted by 2 people when placing it in the cube. The following tools and hardware are required: 8 M6 cap screws, 8 M6 flat washers, and an M6 hex driver. Align the mounting holes on the projector assembly tray with the mounting plate. Install the 8 M6 cap screws and flat washers. Tighten all screws to a torque setting of 4.5 Newton meters or 40 pound-force inches. Ensure you connect the 2 cables from the cube to the motorized adjustment accessory for proper projector operation. You will need to turn around the back panel bump to accommodate the motorized adjustment accessory. Remove the 6 screws. Switch the bump and reinstall. The back panel is ready to install on the rear of the cube. Ensure the panel is properly secured. If not, the 6-axis adjuster will not work. Now we're ready for the screen installation.